Welcome to day 31 of Strong and Sunny 5. If you have not watched days 1 through 30, please go back and watch them. It's so much you have already missed. We already went over collections, we went over late payments, and now we're in utilization. So make sure you guys go back and watch those. Trust me, you miss so much. I want you to do every single day in order. Plus, there's 75 days. We're only on day 30. We're not even halfway there. We're almost halfway there, but we're not there yet. So make sure you guys go back and watch that. Now, we already talked about utilization. This is just me basically just trying to knock it into your head to make sure that y'all keeping it under the 10%. So yeah, keeping it under 30%, that's nice, but again, 10%, that 5% is really the sweet spot. So what I want you all to do is, when you're thinking about paying down your credit cards, especially if you think about getting a quick boost, because I think it's different. Some people want to just have overall great utilization. Some people trying to, they got a year to get their credit scores up. They don't really want to do anything now. So I'm going to talk to two different people. So just bear with me. The first one I want to talk to is the people that want to get their credit score up ASAP. If you want to get your credit score up ASAP and you find that you have credit cards that are not under that 10%, then I want you to find out which credit card right now. Let's look at which ones are due the soonest. So technically I'm recording this on what? The 15th. I'm recording it on the 15th. So I will want to look for credit cards that's due on the 16th, the 17th, 18th, like ones that's due within the next week, because that's the one that I want to pay. I want to bring that one down, and you guys can bring that one down to 0 because it's going to help with your overall utilization. Okay, now if you all have credit cards where it's like you have a year to actually pay this stuff down, you're really not in a rush to do it, then you can have two options. You can just pay down individual credit card. You can say, okay, let me just get this one down to 10% and then I'll work on the other ones. Or you can actually just think about your overall credit, and again, start with the smallest one, just get that utilization down, and then you can work on the other ones from there. So again, that snowball effect when it comes down to paying off your debt. It's up to you. But what I love to do is, especially if you want to get your credit score up ASAP, you want to see the results. I like to tell people to figure out which one is going to report the soonest and pay that one, because if you think about it, all your credit cards got high interest. So to me, it's we not even talking about interest at this point. Some people like to think about, oh well, which one has the highest interest? I'll pay that one. All of them are high. Okay, because it's true, all of them are high. So you want to figure out which one is going to report the soonest. Now if you have some 0% APR credit cards, we're not targeting those because you're at 0%. You can target your other ones, and then you'll still get that boost to your credit score when the balance actually go down on that credit card. Okay, but today we talked about, hey, you want to actually choose a credit card and pay that one down, and try to just think about it too as this. If you got utilization of 70%, bring it down to 60% while you're doing this book. If you have utilization of 60%, bring it down 50%. If you can go harder, but just make sure that you do something that you can stick with, that you can actually get the debt down. That's all you need to focus on, okay? But make sure that you guys have your 3-book bundle, which would include this book, and also you'll have the Raise Your Credit Score 100 points in 30 days. You also will be able to get our Suing to Win book. So with the Suing to Win book, that's how you guys are going to sue those companies that refuse to delete them accounts from your credit report. So you're going to have all 3 of these books included. I'll make sure I pin it down below. Make sure you guys have a copy of this. And then don't forget, you all have the free course that come along with your book. So take full advantage. And if you guys still need help with disputes, we should have been got that done. But still, y'all still have the option of the 6 months worth of dispute letters. It's just best that, maybe you just been watching this. You thought you didn't need it. If you need to get it done, just get it done, okay? I'll see you all for day 32.